Hey guys, I'm gonna go downtown with my friends to Pond City Market. So I thought I'd take you guys along. I try to dress like casual cute because I'm pretty sure my friends are gonna be casual, but I want some pictures too. And I actually put on makeup. I haven't put on makeup since my March video where you guys saw me go to the Fairy Tale coffee shop. I only use concealer, so all my concealer's from NYX. The highlight is from ColourPop. The lip is from ColourPop. The mascara is from Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Is it Too Faced? And Lancome Monsieur. And I'm supposed to hold the camera like this, but my hand hurts, bruh. My hand hurts. Okay, let me show you the outfit. So this is the jacket that I got when I was in Korea at the university I studied at. And then the shirt is Shein. The pants are Forever 21. The earrings, I got them from a friend way back in the day. And shoes are from Boohoo. This would be like one outfit and I'll like take it off and do something else. So hey guys, I'm on the way to Pond City Market with my friends. I feel like I'm following my tour guide.
Pond City Market used to be a railroad track.
Wow. Oh, I always see these in pictures, but I've never been up here. It's a mouse. A mouse. Another mouse. It's a tiny door for the mouses, guys. It looks like I'm at like someone's real house. Hey Grace. Hey Grace. Hey Grace. Hey. Walking, chilling in Pond City Market. A lady just dropped her kid, guys. A lady had her kid on the bike and she dropped the bike and her kid.
And your whispering sucks.
Whatever.
It was so creepy if someone opened and stuck their eye out.
So
No, it feels like it builds up and then it like plateaus in the weirdest way.
We're heading to go get lunch now. Okay, so I made it to the concert and now I'm waiting for her to come out. There's no one beside me. Well, there was some girls, but... And I bought some merch. The bag says Bravado, which is one of Lorde's songs, like her older songs.
It is so good to be here with you tonight, Atlanta. Thank you for coming out.
I look super ratchet, but I'll explain later. Currently I'm in Memphis. I just got here. I didn't vlog that much in the airport or like picking up the rental car because this is my first time like renting a car and booking my own hotel. I have booked an Airbnb before, but like renting a car, which is so uncomfortable because you're like scared of like doing anything wrong. Like I won't go above the speed limit. That's how like crazy it is. But right now I'm just gonna grab something to eat and then I'm going to tour some apartments. So let's come along. Okay, it seems that anywhere I go the lighting is not that good, but I just found food and I have to kill time before I view the apartments. So I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I can't spend anything. Guys, I'm in Marshall's. Why am I so broke? Like, look at this. I'm so broke I can't even afford this. And it has pockets. So after killing about an hour, I've arrived at my first apartment. So I just finished touring this apartment. It was pretty fast. The apartments are beautiful, like everything's nice, but it's a little out of my price point. I'm trying to live like luxury broke. I feel like I shouldn't show you guys my face anymore. I'm just looking hurt. But off to the next one. Okay, so took the wig off finally. I'm at a really cheap hotel, so this is like nothing to come to you guys about. So okay, the reason I wore the wig was like I wanted to only bring a carry-on, and my hair products were way too large to bring in the carry-on, so I decided to braid my hair down, wear the wig, and then for the thing I'm doing on Monday, just undo, like do a braid out. So I'll show you guys the hotel room. It's nothing special. It's literally a Super 8 hotel. They didn't have the 1 king bed that I requested, so they gave me a double bed with no additional fees. And I'm paranoid, so I don't want to open the window so people can see that I'm alone. As you can see, I already put my clothes out on the bed. There's my sad little wig, the TV, everything, you know. Very basic. Oh gosh, this is noisy. Let's just do it this way. I just woke up from a nap. I forgot to tell you guys my story. Basically, I'm broke right now, right? I ran the car, but I don't have a credit card yet. So, if you don't have a credit card, they hold on to like $350 on your account to make sure, just in case you don't, if you like don't return the car, or there's some expenses, like damages or something, they charge you for it. So I thought that was okay, you know. I was like, whatever. But at the same time, I was like, basically, after they did that, I only had $50 in my bank account. So I was like, oh, it's only enough for food. So I asked my aunt to transfer me $50. So then when I got to the hotel, she's like, okay, time to pay for your hotel. And I was like, pay for my hotel? I was like, I already paid for my hotel. She's like, no, you didn't. It was just, you created a reservation. So I'm like checking my bank account, like, I know I paid for this stupid hotel. So I didn't pay for the hotel, so I only had $50 in my bank account. So I'm like low-key freaking out. So I called my aunt, and she's on a trip with my grandma for my grandma's 80th, and I didn't want to interrupt her like while she was there, but this was, look, I was tired. I ain't got no money in my bank account. I need you to give me a loan. So I got her to loan me some money. So that was crazy. I was almost low-key freaking out. I think I'm going to go to dinner, and I'll take you guys with me. Honestly, it's kind of weird to vlog by myself, but you know, I'll try. Day 2 in Memphis. Today is just food, apartment tours, sightseeing, that kind of jazz. It's not that exciting. And I'm currently getting ready, so I still have my satin thing on. It's cold today, so I have on a black turtleneck from Banana Republic, black jeans from Forever 21. I'm gonna wear black shoes from Old Navy too. Let's go. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining. Hey, so I'm ready for the last thing that I'm doing here in Memphis. Wish me luck.